Hi everyone. So I have been doing some much needed cleaning and maintenance in the RV, 2019 Jayco Seneca 37 RV. So I recently tackled the sink, which it had some rust spots. I don't understand how stainless steel can get rust, but whatever the mechanics and goes on, it did get rusty. And I especially noticed some rust right here under the caulking. This is new caulking that I put on. I removed the old one, I cleaned it up, I used CLR to get it nice and clean. I used a plastic caulking scraper that you can get at Home Depot, and I cleaned it up very well to make sure that I had a nice clean adherence from the new caulking. So I did that. I also replaced the faucet. The other faucet to me was very tall and it caused more of a splash than anything else. And this one is it gets a good spray, and I don't have the wand anymore. I use, see how this rotates. And I did this because of two reasons. One, because the other one was too tall, and the other reason was because I have a dishwasher. Don't judge me, I have a dishwasher. So I needed to be able to unscrew this and put the adapter that came with the dishwasher so I can put in the connector that drains the water. It all works. It's all good. So anyway, I recaulked it. It came out really good, nice and clean and no rust. I also use a caulking spreader. It's a special tool that allows you to caulk without too much of a mess. I also taped it. This is so important to get a nice clean caulking edge. So I taped up here, folded it over a little bit because I didn't want caulking to go all the way up to the top. Okay, and I also put blue tape down here at the bottom and just a little bit over the lip on here, so I can get a nice narrow caulking edge. I didn't want it to be sloppy, and I used that special tool to help me spread it evenly, and it worked great, as you can tell. Now another thing that I wanted to point out is this strainer right here. It comes in a 2-pack, and I got it at Home Depot, and it catches everything. It catches grits. I love grits, by the way. It catches grits, and it's a lifesaver for your gray tank. So all in all, I've been very busy. I've been trying to take care of all the small maintenance items that have just been piling up because I've been so busy that I'll say I'll get it later. Oh, I'll get it later. Oh, I'll get it later. So this is later. Everything. I've been just doing everything. I replaced the valve in the back of the toilet. I even cleaned the carpet. Yes, let me turn around so you can see. I cleaned the carpet. Doesn't it look pretty? And yeah, there's my dishwasher. Don't judge. Okay. Yeah, cleaned all the carpets. I even put new carpets. I freshened it up. It looks really good. Looks really good. So that's what I've been up to. I've got a few more maintenance items, but they're outside. I've got to caulk the slide frame because it needs new caulking. I just ordered the Geo cell that is recommended by a lot of people on the forum, the Jayco Seneca forum, and that's what I use, and it's worked really well. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up. I just wanted to keep you posted. I'm still here, still here, still here. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Okay, everybody. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Bye.